What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be showing you a card trick that I saw from a YouTube video, but I'm going to make it a little bit more simple. I'm going to break it down into a few easy steps so that you yourself can possibly perform this trick. So first step, acquire a deck of cards. Easy enough. Second step, find somebody to perform this trick on. As of right now, I'm just kind of chilling on myself, so I'm just going to show it to you guys instead. Anyways, what you're going to do is you're going to have that person pick a card from your deck. Now, just kind of fan the deck out like this, allow them to pick a card. As you can see, our card is going to be the Five of Hearts. So, after they have picked their card, ask them to put it on the top of the deck. See? Simple enough. Then, the next step is you're going to cut the deck in half. Now, all that means is you literally just take the deck, cut it in half. But, what you're doing, and what they're not going to see, is you're going to take and make a little space between their card and the rest of the deck. And the best way to do it is kind of do it with your thumb, as I am now. I'm going to over-exaggerate it so you can kind of see what it is. But the point of this is to not lose track of their card when you cut their deck in half. Now, just a few tips is try to make this as small as possible without you losing grip, so that way, you know, the person you're performing this against doesn't notice it right away. Anyways, you're going to put that card on the bottom of the deck, as so, Five of Hearts. And then you're going to cut the deck again, and once again, create a gap between the top card and the rest of the deck. So that way the bottom card is covered. As you saw earlier, it was a Five of Hearts, now it's a Four of Clubs. The reason we're doing this is because we don't want the person you're performing this trick against to be like, oh, you just put the card on the bottom of the deck. So if they say that, you can be like, no, as you can see, this is not your card, this is just a random card. Then you're going to say, alright, I'm going to shuffle this one time. You grab your cards and you prepare to shuffle, but just remember, make sure you pay attention to which bottom half, or which one is the bottom half of the deck, because as you can see, here is the Four of Clubs, and then here is our Five of Hearts. Once you are shuffling, make sure you let the bottom half go down first, or the best way is just make sure the bottom two cards go down first. So as you can see, the Four of Clubs and the Five of Hearts are down. Then integrate the other deck and start shuffling. That way, you don't lose your cards, but it looks like you actually mixed around the cards to add a little pizzazz to the trick. Then you say something like, alright, the card could be anywhere, right? You know, like I've cut it in half, I've shuffled it, it could be anywhere. Well, that's where you tell them they're wrong. Then you'll be like, alright, out of all these cards, I'm only going to select three, and out of that three, one of those cards is going to be yours. So what you do is you move this bottom card apart, put a finger on there, put another finger on their card, and then grab the top card, and then just kind of get rid of everything else. You see how I did that? Then you'd be like, alright, one of these three cards is your card. Now, if you did it correctly, their card should always be the middle card. You draw, and then BAM! There it is, Five of Hearts. And you potentially amaze them, or they just look at you like you're stupid. Either way, you perform the trick. Good job.